Hello guys. So this is your unit 2 and we have already started this unit, right, where we are learning the Microsoft Word. In the last lecture we talked about that what is Microsoft Word, how to open it, right, all these things and the basic use of the word processor. So we are done with this basic things, introduction part, basic concepts and objective of WP means word processor, and how to open it, close it, save and protecting. So we'll start from this point today. We are done with all these points, right? So from today we'll start with this, for this point, starting of word processor, opening, closing, saving and protecting document. So how to do that? So first, in the last lecture we talked that how to open it, right? You simply need to go to the your office button or the my window button, and then or a start program, then Microsoft Office, and in that the Microsoft Word, right? So that way you can open. Closing is simple. Simply you can close it with the close button that you can find right at the top, so that you can close. How to save it? Saving is very important thing. So here in the file, whenever you write any document, any content, when you create any document, go to the file menu and here you have a save option. Click on that save option. After that it will ask you that where you want to save your work. So you can go to the location, this PC, and if you want to create a new folder, you can create the new folder or go to the more option. This type of dialog box will open, and choose the path wherever you want to store. Suppose I want to store or I want to save this file on a desktop, and I'm just giving the name unit 2 part 1. I'm just giving this name and save it, or also I can say that unit 2, that's it, right? Or ms word part unit 2, right? So you can save it. So now my document has been saved. So this way you can save. Then the next is protecting document. How to protect? The meaning of the protect document is you can lock your document. You can lock your document. How to do that? First, see, this is the file, right, which we have saved. When I open it, it opens directly, but suppose there is some important information and I want to keep them safe, so I can protect it with the help of the password. So for that, to protect your file with the password, you can go to the file menu. In the file menu, actually this is the latest version, so you may find the different options or the different menu the in different versions of the MS Word. But here you can see that in the info, I can go in the info, there is a protect document option. Click on that and it will ask that how you want to save. I'm selecting encrypt with password and it will ask me for the password. I'm entering any password. I have entered my password. Click OK. Again it will ask to enter the password, the same password you have to enter, right? So I have entered the password again and OK. Now my document has been protected. Now see, I close the document. It will ask for the saving. Always say yes. Okay. Now see, now when I'll open this document, okay, it will ask me for the password. So this way you can protect your document. Suppose I enter the wrong document, it will not open my file, right? So again I'll have to open it and enter the password. I have entered correct in password, and now here is my document, right? So this way you can protect your document. So this portion is also done, right? Typing and editing, it's very simple. Typing and editing means what? You can simply write in the document, like whatever you can write. I'm just writing hello everyone, how are you, and like that, right? So it is like I can typing, it's very simple. Editing means wherever you want to edit, like suppose I want to keep it E, or hello everyone, how. So you can simply type and simply you can edit by moving the cursor. This is your cursor, right? जो blink हो रहा है, that is your cursor. So you can put the cursor and you can edit your document. Every time whenever you make any changes, do not forget to save the file. Control S, CTRL plus S. Control S is a shortcut, or here above this you can find the save option. Also you can go to the file and click on the save, but do not forget to save it, right? So this way you can type and edit your document. Introduction and objectives already we have discussed in the last lecture, like what is MS Word, where you can use, which type of applications you can create with the help of the MS Word, right? So all these things we have already discussed. Then we have the action with mouse and through the keyboard. For example, this is the cursor, right? This is the cursor. If I want to select the text, so I can select it with the help of the mouse, as well as I can put the cursor at the certain location, press shift and press right arrow. So this way also you can do. So almost all the actions you can perform with the mouse as well as with the keyboard. For example, here we have a bold option, right? And control B is a shortcut. You can see here, right? When I when I put the mouse here, it shows bold, control B. So control B is a shortcut that you can perform through the keyboard, right? So mouse as well as keyboard you can use to perform almost all the tasks, right? And that is for the selection of the text, right? So this way you can select the text using the mouse as well as using the keyboard. So this is easy. Now we have the typing, revising, text copy, cut, copy, paste, that we will see in the next video. We'll continue in the next video.